Good day guys, being here. Today we're going to model this. Okay, so this will be the um, the final result, and we're going to make, and also it's actually parametric, so you can adjust the what do we call this, the offset. And of course you can change the size. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first we need to create an adaptive family. Okay, so and in this adaptive family we're going to, so first we need to place 4 points and make adaptive. So doesn't need to be aligned, but if you like, if you wanted to, of course you can align them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So then what we need is, so this is a screenshot of that this image, and so currently what we have is, so imagine this is a 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, and then so this we just need to offset from 0.1, and this point will be offset from 0.3. So basically 0.1, 0.3. We just need add another 2 points. So point, draw on work plan, set work plan, pick this work plan and place it on the 0.1, set work plan and place it on 0.3. Then we can select these 2 points and create a parameter. So let's call this offset. Okay. And OK, and OK. So now if we go to family types, offset, so maybe typing a number, for example, 900. So that's the offset. And also, let's just move them close to each other. So relative to the distance between them, the offset is, it's relatively proper. Okay. So that's 4 points, and then we need to create, so this one, so this curve, so see this one, so this shape, and then another one on the other side, it'll be something like this. To create these, it's actually quite simple, so we just need to add more points. So first point is a point offset from this vertical work plane of this point. So just place it and OK, and then select this point. We just need to add a very small distance offset. Okay, so 1, and another one, draw on work plan, set work plan. So pick this and place on point 2. So this time, so see these arrows pointing that direction. So we just need to type in -1. So now we can select these 2 points, control select these 2, and then we can create a spline. So this is this. Okay, so this line. So then we just need another one on this side. So first we need one from this point. Okay, and then we need another one from this point. So from this vertical work plane, and place it on point 4. And then this one, we're just typing 1, and this one, we're typing -1. Okay, so now we can select these 2, control select these 2, so totally 4. Okay, so 4 points, and create a spline, and this is the other one. Okay, so let's make it reference, make them reference line. So now, if we create a form using these 2 reference lines, so you will see this is not perfect. So because if you look, this edge is good, this edge is good, but this one is a straight line, and also this one. So it's not perfect. So we're going to delete this one, and we just need to add another 2 reference line to make these 2 edge also a curve like this one. Okay, so let's do it. So point the same, draw on world plan, set world plan, zoom in, because there are 2 points here. So and then try to pick so this one. Okay, so this vertical world plan, and place it on this point. And once again, set world plan, tab this one, this world plan, and place it on here. So now we just need to select these two. I think both should be -1. Yep. Okay, so now we have 2, and then we need another 2. Point, draw world plan, set world plan, tab, place it on here, and set world plan, pick this, place it on point 2. So select this point, so -1, and select this point, same, -1. So now we can select this one, this point, and these two. So 4 altogether. Create a spline and make it a reference line. So now we have another one, and then we just need one more. Okay, so one more. Zoom in, point, draw world plan, set world plan, tab, place. Set world plan, tab, place. And then let's so this, try one. Yep, good. And point, draw world plan, set world plan, and tab and place. Okay, set, pick this one and place. Select this point together with this type 1. Good. And then so with these 2 points selected, and then we can go here and control select these 2 as well, and then create a spline and make it a reference line. So now we have 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 reference line, and then we can create a form. So this time, if you look at the shape of this form, so all these edges, they are all curved. Okay, so I think it's good. And then the next step is, because in this, so if you look at this, we need to find a repeating pattern. So in this one, you can't have this one because that's mirrored. So from this to this is mirrored. So we need to use this one. So 4 of these panel to create a pattern based. So this one and this one. So you can see repeat. Okay, so now let's create a new family. So this time pattern based. And then we just need to place this adaptive family into this pattern based. But before that, we need to place some more points. We need to divide this pattern based family into 4. Okay, so place. So first we need to place some point and use draw on face and pick the midpoint. So midpoint, and midpoint, and then I'm going to just connect these 2 and connect these 2. I'll place another one. Instead of pick the midpoint, I'm going to just place a point on this line and use host point by intersection. Okay, so now we can, so actually let's make these 2 line reference line. Okay, so now we can start to place the adaptive family. So use place on face. So let's start. So first I'm going to hang on, what's going on here? Oh yeah, so seems we need to rotate this view a little bit, so then it will work. Okay, so start from here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, and this is it. So now, if you can test by select this grid, and you can type in number. So it should follow the grids, and also because we have a parameter for this offset. So let's try. If you change the parameter, it should change the offset, the depth. Okay, so looks good. And then the next one is maybe we add some frame into this family. So let's go edit family. So let me actually I'm going to, because I noticed that this edge, so this one's fine. So if you zoom in, and you will see this reference line is actually not the surface we created from the reference line. It's not exactly matching the reference lines. So which means if we create a frame using the reference line, and sometimes it will not follow the shape of this surface. So what I'm going to do is, so instead of use this reference line to create that frame, I'm going to use the surface. Okay, so first I'm going to select a reference line and H to just hide them. So because there are more reference lines, so I just select them. Okay, so there's no more. So now we're going to use this edge of the form. So if you will see, if you move your cursor onto this edge, so this is the surface, right? But if you use your tab key, you can pick the edge of this surface, and you can use this edge to create a form, create a sweep. So what we need to do is just draw a point, place a point, and use draw on face. Okay, so and then place onto this edge. So yeah, it looks like it's not curved. Anyway, let's just place one onto this edge. Okay, and now we need to create a reference circle. Draw on world plan, set world plan, pick this point and create a circle. So actually I'm going to create a radius and create a radius parameter. So now if I go to family types, so for example typing 50 and OK, so we have this profile. So maybe just drag it. Oh, hang on. Let me just turn on the reference. Yep, that's better. So now select this point and select this reference line together with this radius dimension or parameter CC. We are going to place two frame. Okay, so one is here, one is on this edge, and the other one's on this edge. So because we don't need four, when we place this into that pattern-based family, if you place four, the frame will be overlapping. Okay, so we only need two. So we need two two profiles for each frame. So this way we can adjust the size properly. So pick new host, and then so we can use this profile together with this profile together with this edge. So make sure you pick the edge, not the whole surface. Okay, so you might need to tab to pick this edge. Control select, so, and we can create a form. So this will be a sweep, follow this edge. And then we just need to drag this to this end. Yeah, don't worry about that. And for this one, or you can drag it, or you can just type in a number. Okay, so then that's it. And then the same, so we select the point and pick new host, select this point, pick new host, and then try to pick this edge, control select, create a form. And select this point, you can drag it, or select the point, you can type in the number. So 1 and 0, which means beginning and end. So then I think this is it. And also now we can load this into this pattern-based family. Okay, so it seems no, wrong. We need to flip because you'll see the overlapping. So see this. This is overlapping, so which means maybe we need to, instead of have one, see if you select this family, you see 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, we can place it 1, 2, 3, 4. So these two can go here. These two frame can go the other direction. So delete, create component. So 1, start from here. So rotate a little bit. Oops. Yeah, something's not right. 2, 3, 4. Oh, no, not right. We need to start the first point here. Yeah, that's better. 3, 4. And then we just need to delete this one and then do it's the same. So 1, start from 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now you'll see there's no overlapping frame, and which means it's all good. So because when imagine when you repeat this one, place this one on this side, another one, so you will have another frame here, not here. So, and if you place this one on here, so you will have another frame here, but not here, right? So that's good. So now the last step is we can create a conceptual mask, or you can even create a model in place mask in the project. So let's just create a very simple one. Okay, so draw a reference line and create a form, and maybe make it 10 meter. So now we can use divided surface, and let's try fixed distance, and a fixed distance maybe 2 meter by 2 meter. Okay, so good. So now go back to the pattern-based family and then load this into the new conceptual mask. Select this divided surface, and then we can apply the pattern-based family onto it. So now you will see this is what we have, right? So okay, so now you can change the size. So for example, 4 meter by, oh, wrong one, 4 meter. Okay, and you can, if you tab, select one of this panel, you can go to edit type. So you can change the depths, so which means increase the wave, right? And also you can adjust the radius of these frame, or these frame. So edit type, we have this R. So for example, reduce the size. Yeah. And even you can try some crazy. Let's try a rectangular shape. Oops. Yeah, you will have some issue. I think, yeah, it's not perfect, so you will see. Probably not good idea, but yeah, if yeah, I think it's better to have rectangular. Oh, sorry, square shape. It's when it's square, so there's no gap, but when it's rectangular, you will have some gap. And also, even let's try different angle. Yep. Okay. So how about this one? Try 45 degree as well. Okay, so this is actually the same as a 90 degree, maybe 30 degree, and the 60 degree. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, so that's it. So basically, it's pattern based. So this is a pattern, 4 of them. So this is a pattern based family, and in this family there are four individual adaptive family, which is created using four reference line, four spline. Okay, so four spline to create a form and place into the pattern-based family, and then place into a conceptual mask. So which you can adjust the size and the patterns. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. Just I'll probably paste the link of this file again, and you can just paste your image or your question or idea or suggestion, or just add in the last page. Okay, so thank you, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.